Good morning class, and this is your SST class, and today is date 8 December 2020. Okay student, and in previous class I told you the chapter 13 with explanation. Hope you all of you watched the video. If you are not watching that video, then all of you watch this video, because today we are completing the exercise of this chapter, and your chapter is 13, and this is the soil. Okay student, in previous class I told you what is a soil. Soil is a natural resources, and that is gift by the nature, and it is our support system of our life. And after that, formation of soil formation is very long process, and it makes thousands of years. It makes thousands of years. Even 1 centimeter layer of the soil formation is take time near about thousands of years. Okay students, so this process is very long process, so we don't polluted our this natural resources. Soil is a natural resources. After that I am explaining now types of soil. How many types of soil, students? Tell me anyone. It is according to your book, 6 type of soil. First is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is found in the northern plains. Yes or no? Yes, na? And the states are like that: Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana. These states are covering alluvial soil. After that, I told you desert soil. Desert soil. Desert, it means it is found in western part of our country, like that Rajasthan, and some places near the coast, Gujarat. Okay, this place is desert soil. Then third is black soil. Black soil is found in the Deccan Plateau, northwest part, like that Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra, and it is good for cotton and sugarcane. Okay, these three main soils are completed now. Then mountain soil are found in the hilly slopes, and this soil is not very fertile. This is good for fruit farms, that is called orchards. Okay, then after that, laterite soil is not very good fertile. Because of that, this soil is found in that places there is too much rainfall, and the temperature is very high. That's why this soil is fertility is very low, or this soil fertility is low. That's why this soil is making for brick construction. Okay, and if farmers are growing in this soil some crops, they are using too much manures and cow dung. These things they are using now to improve the fertility of laterite soil. Then last one is, that is red soil. Red soil is found in the which state? This is Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Okay, and this soil color is red because of that. In that where this soil is founded, that places in soil iron. Iron is found too much. That's why this soil color is red. Okay, student, and this is good for groundnut especially. Okay, in short, I tell you 6 type of soil. After that, soil erosion. Soil erosion, what is the meaning of soil erosion? Soil erosion means the removal of the topsoil by the running water, by the flood, by the moving wind. That is called soil erosion. Okay, and how we control this? To more planting trees, we can stop the soil erosion, because soil is a gift by the nature and our support system. It is our support system of life. Okay, And in short, I am explain again this topic. Okay, and in detail you watch. If you have any problem regarding today's class, then you watch the previous part of this chapter. Okay, then today's topic is the soil, the book exercise, and it is a important resource of our life. Because of that, all plants are grow in the soil, and we are eating some different kinds of things, and we get all food material mostly depend we are all are depending for food material from the plants, and plants are grow in the soil. That's why this is the support system of our life. Okay, so everyone read this chapter and watch the previous video for learning better. Okay, then let's start today's topic, and today's topic is the soil and the book exercise. So students, everyone open your book, chapter 13, the book exercises, page number 79. Okay, this is the topic, exercises. Exercises, page number 79. Okay, first question is here. According to your book, students, take the correct option. Here I mention now the only answers. What? Take the correct options. Take the correct answers. Okay students, I mention now only answers. First is, dash soil is formed by the deposition of silt brought down from the mountain by the river. The option will here: A. Alluvial soil, B. Black, C. Red. What will right answer is here? The right answer will here is alluvial soil. Okay. You take here this alluvial soil, and this is A. Okay. And you to tick now here. Then second one is, the red soil is red in color due to the dash contained in the soil. Options are A. Copper, B. Iron, and C is silver. What will correct? Red soil color is due to the iron. That's why here which option is right? B option. B, and you tick mark. Okay. Then C is, question number C. Black soil is formed from the dash made by lava. It is made by the, options are trees, B. rocks, C. bricks. Which one is correct? The right answer is here number third, that is rocks. Okay. This is B option, and your B option is here right. Then number 4 is, dash soil is used for making bricks. Which soil is making bricks? Remember that students. Option will here alluvial soil, B. laterite soil, C is sandy soil. The right option will here is B, that is laterite soil. Laterite soil, and the option is B is correct. Okay, this tick mark, 4 tick mark is completed now. Then after that, question number B part. B part is here. That is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. According to first sentence, the soil is the dash layer of the earth. Soil, it is the top layer, na? Your right answer is here top. Okay, top layer of the earth. Question number 2. The soil in the western desert is, desert, this word is desert is here. So which type of soil is found in desert area? That is sandy soil. That is sandy. Yes or no? Yes, na? Then third is, The dash soil is good for growing cotton and sugar cane. Best growing for cotton and sugar cane, that is black soil. Okay, the black soil. The number 4 is tea and coffee are grown in the soil. That type of crops are grow in the mostly mountain area. There is too much rainfall, or there is temperature is high. That's why this type of crops are grown in the laterite soil. Okay, to use the manures. Okay, number 5 is manures. What is manures? Manures and dash are added to make the soil fertility. Manures is a substance that improve the fertility of soil, which is we are adding now in the soil, and that improve the fertility of soil. And like that, green manures, like that cow dung, and some synthetic manures like that urea, nitrogen, this type of some extra materials we are mixing in the soil, and that things are improving the soil fertility. So right answer is here manures and cow dung. I mentioned now only. And in commonly we are saying now cow dung is, that is gobar. And that cow dung is used to make some in village area for fuels, to making food. Okay, cow dung, it is commonly called as gobar. Okay, then your fill in the blanks is completed now, and everyone write now this exercises. After that we are moving exercise number C, and that is true false. So hope you all of you completed now. Okay, then C exercise is, that is T for true, or F for false. I mentioned here in short. Okay, first sentence is black soil is formed in the northern mountain. No, northern mountain. Black soil is found in the northern western part of our country. Okay, northern western part of our country. That's why first sentence is a false. Okay, I mentioned here false. Then second is the soil in mountain and hilly slopes is very thin and poor. Yes, because of that the mountain region, the soil, the surface is not even. The surface of mountain and hilly slopes are uneven. Yes or no? Yes, no? That's why the slopes is very thin and poor. This sentence is true. Okay. Then move to the third point is here. Step farming can prevent soil erosion. What is the meaning of prevent? Prevent means to save. Yes, this is right answer. So everyone write here. In a hilly area, step farming to save the soil erosion, prevent. Okay, this answer is a true. Number 4 is rubber is grown in laterite soil. Yes, this is true. Number 5 is soil is formed in a short time. No, it's a long process. Okay, that's why this answer is false. Right answer will here is false. Then move to the D's question answer. So left that. Then after that the exercise E. Exercise E is here. E. Fill in the blanks with the clue given below. Okay, here is the some questions in your book, and here are the some spaces, and you have to mention now the right answer. First question is the soil formed because of the deposition of the silt by the river, and first letter is here A. What will is correct answer? That is alluvial soil. Okay, so everyone mention it here. This is alluvial soil. Okay, then question number 2 is The soil formed by the breaking up of the lava. Breaking up the lava, here B is given. So which soil? It is black soil. And you mention now the spelling. Black, BLACKSOIL, soil. Okay, student. Then after that, question number 3 is here. The soil found in hill slopes of the south. And here third option is L is mentioned. That is laterite. 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 You mention here the all spellings. Okay. Then number 4 is fruit farms. Fruits farms, and O is mentioned here. Fruits farms means orchards. ORCHARDS. Okay. Then number 5, last question is carrying away of the rich soil by rain or strong wind. That is E is given. Which spelling is here right? That is erosion. So everyone complete now these sentences. I mention now the all things in your book. Book. Everyone mention now. I am send the pic from this exercise also. Okay. Then after that, move to the exercise number F. Complete the chart. Okay. First is here is mentioned now type the soil. This is your activity. Okay. This is the activity. Alluvial soil, where it is found and which type of crops are grown here. Okay. This is your homework, or all of you do know this activity. Okay. Then I mention now here the all answers from the E exercise. E, first answer is here alluvial soil. Okay. This one is right answer. Then number 2, according to question, the soil formed by the breaking up the lava rock. This is black soil. Black soil. Everyone mention now in all boxes these spellings. Number 3rd is the soil found in hill slopes of the south. That is laterite soil. Laterite. Number 4 is fruit farms, that are orchards. Number 5 is carrying away of the rich soil by rain or strong wind. That is E is given here. That is the word is erosion. Okay. Everyone mention now the all spellings in your given boxes in your book. This exercises all of you complete now in your books. An activity, this is your homework. This is activity. This is your homework. Okay. After that, we will discuss about this map activity in your book. The map activity is on a map of India, shade or color the areas of the following types of the soil. Here 5 types of soils are given now. Only you mention now only one state in your map. Okay. And the with color like that black soil mostly is found in Maharashtra state. Here I mention now A. This one is Maharashtra state. Okay. And here you mention now A, and black soil, it means you shaded with pencil, black color. Okay. Then second is red soil. Red soil is found in Odisha and Chhattisgarh. That's why I mention here this state is Chhattisgarh. Here B. I mention now in your book B. And you use here wax color and pencil color. And you mention now B. Okay. Then sandy soil or desert soil. It means that soil is found in mainly Rajasthan. And Rajasthan you know very well, student. And here mention I am C in your map. Okay. And here you use now wax color. Okay, and you mention here C. Then next is D, that is alluvial soil, and alluvial soil is mainly found in the northern plains. Here I mention only one state, and this is your state, and it is Uttar Pradesh. This is your state. I mention here D, and so everyone use here different color for alluvial soil. And last E is mountain soil. Mountain soil is found in the northern part of our country mostly, and here mention I am G, that is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, and here are some orchards, that it means that are the fruit farms. Okay, so this type of, all of you complete now this map activity in your book only. Okay students, look at here everyone, and you mention now the states here like this, and here mention now A, B, C, D, E. Only one states you locate now in your map activity. Okay, hope you all things students understand. Okay students, and you complete now all book exercise very well. Okay students, then thanks.